Okay, so today's work in maths is more about fractions, but today we're going to be thinking about fractions that are the same. Equivalent fractions, that just means the same, okay? So we're going to be learning to recognise different fractions that are equal to each other. Okay, let's have a look. So remember, that's our whole. This one's a square. It could be a circle, but it's whole. Now we've split it into half, into two parts. 1, 2. The same as my circle. Half, half. Okay. So 2 over 2 is the same as 1 whole. So 2 halves is the same as 1 whole. Okay, so we've got half again. This time, I'm going to half the half into 2. Same as this. Okay, and can you remember that makes quarters, and we've got 1, 2 quarters is the same as 1 half. 2 quarters equals 1 half. Okay, and now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, and that's going to be the same as what? Yes, 1 whole. See if we're right? Yeah, look. So 4 quarters is the same as 1 whole. If I have a look here, there's my whole. 2 halves, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Put them together, makes the whole. 2 halves make the whole. Okay, got my whole again. Half. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. And then we're going to half the quarter. We're going to half the quarter, and that makes an eighth. Sorry, an eighth. So we've got 1, 2 eighths is the same as 1 quarter. Okay, because 2 of these fit together to make 1 quarter. And then like that. How many do you think are going to be in here? Let's see. 1, 2. Wonder how many eighths we will need to make 1 whole. Let's see. Of that. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths is the same as what? 1 half. So let's see, how many have we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 eighths. So were you right? 8 eighths is the same as 1 whole. Now today I'm going to stop there because your job is to make a number fraction wall. Okay, bit similar to this. It's going to look like this, and we've done this before. So at the top we're going to have the 1 whole. Then we're going to divide it into halves, then quarters, then eighths. Okay, and you can do this. Get some paper, get a ruler, and you can draw. Get them out the way. Just draw some lines. Okay. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4 strips of paper. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cut them out. Ooh. You can do it better than me. Okay. Right. Then I'm going to write. So you need a pen, and you're going to write at the top. Remember, 1 hole. So 1. Oops. Okay. 1 hole. Put that down. Now the next one, you're going to fold it, and remember the first thing we're going to find is half. Put them right together. Fold it in the middle. Cut that in half. So now we have half, half. Okay. The next one, you fold it in half again. And then this half, you're going to fold it again. Half the next one. Your other half needs to be halved. Line them up like that. Now remember, so what are these? We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 parts, so they must be quarters. So you can write out, we've got 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter. And then you can see that they can fit together. Then the last one, we're going to make into eighths. So half. I'm going to do it much quicker. I'm going to put them together like this. And half again. And then half again. And then we should have 8 parts. Let's see. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, got 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hiding on top of each other then. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you can write on 1/8. Okay, do it very quickly. 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and 1/8. Now, when you've done that job, I want you to take a photograph and add it onto Seesaw. You can then use this to help you with the work that we're going to do tomorrow. Because remember, how many quarters is the same as 1/2? There's your half. How many quarters can I fit in here? 1, 2. Okay, so we can say that 2 quarters is the same as 1/2. Let's write that on here very quickly. So 2 quarters equals 1/2. Let's just do one more before we finish. How many eighths is the same as 1/2? Here's my half. And how many eighths can I fit in? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths is the same as 1/2. Let's write that. So 4 eighths equals 1/2. Okay? Put them back. So when you've made this fraction wall, take a photograph, upload it so that I can see what you've done, but save it, okay? Save it ready for tomorrow's work, okay? Bye.
Don't believe it.